Hello children and welcome to English period. Today children we are going to study grammar chapter 2 articles. Now here I have put some pictures and below the pictures something is written. So children you have to read the following words one by one. Okay. So now see here. First picture is of the book. Okay, what is written below the that picture? A book, a pen, then a box, an ant, an egg, and an orange. So we have seen here the pictures of a book, a pen, a box, an ant, an egg, and an orange. The articles a and an are placed before nouns. They are persons, animals, or birds, places, and things. A and an are the indefinite articles. Yes, as I told you children, today we are going to learn the chapter number 2 articles. We have already seen in the previous class and understood that there are two types of articles, definite article and indefinite article. First we will see the indefinite articles, and that is why when I shown you this slide, few pictures there we have written a book, a pen, a box, while in front of some words we have written an ant, an egg, and an orange. So why this is so, that we will study in detail. Article a and an are placed before nouns. So now what are nouns? Names of place, person, animal or things or birds. So it is placed in front of any noun. Article a and an are indefinite articles. Now the next activity is you have to read the sentences very carefully. Okay. This is the house that Jack built. This is the house that Jack built. Here, the house refers to a particular house. Okay. Which is the house? This is the house that Jack built. Means why? What is special in this house? Because this is the house built by Jack. So this is the house that Jack built. So here the house refers to a particular house. So we should not say this is a house that Jack built. Next sentence, let us go to the zoo. Let us go to the zoo. Here, the zoo refers to a particular zoo, not any zoo. Let's go to a zoo. If I say let's go to a zoo, it means any zoo in the city. But if I want to tell something that I want to go to that particular zoo, so I should use this is the zoo. The cow is a useful animal. Here, the cow refers to all cows. So why? What is the difference between all these examples? Let us see. The is a definite article and it is used when we speak of a particular place or person or a thing. So when we saw the example, this is the house that Jack built. So the house particular, we are referring to the particular house, the house which is built by Jack. So the definite article the is used when we speak of a particular person or thing. Then second important thing we have to remember, when a singular noun is used to indicate a whole clan. Okay. A singular noun which is used to indicate a whole clan. See, the cow refers to all the cows. Okay, that's why we have said here the cow is a useful animal. So when a singular noun is used to indicate a whole clan, in that case we use definite article the. Similarly, we use the with the unique things in nature. We use the with the unique thing in nature like the sun, the moon. Okay, one in number in the nature. So these are the three important things you have to remember while using definite article when we speak of a particular person, when a singular noun is used to indicate a whole clan, and similarly we use the with the unique thing in nature. One in the nature, it means oceans and seas like. Definite article the specially used in front of the nouns which are one in number, which are unique. Oceans and seas like the Bay of Bengal, the Pacific Ocean. Then rivers, in front of the rivers names also we should use a definite article the, because they are unique. The Ganga. We should not say a Ganga, a Bay of Bengal. No. They are unique, so we should use the definite article the. The. Rivers like the Ganga, the Yamuna. Then mountain ranges like the Aravali, the Nilgiris, isn't it? Then the famous buildings like the Red Fort, the Lotus Temple. Remember children, definite article the is used before the names of oceans and seas, rivers, mountain ranges and famous buildings. And we have seen few examples of that also, like the Bay of Bengal, the Pacific Ocean, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Aravali, the Nilgiris, and the famous buildings like the Red Fort and the Lotus Temple. Let's move ahead. Then this article, the is also used in front of newspapers like the Times of India, the Indian Express, then in front of sacred books like the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, things that are only one of their kind, the sun, the moon. So these are some of the examples in front of these things we use definite article the. Now we also use the article the with superlatives. We have studied super degrees of comparisons. So that time also I have explained you while using the superlative degrees. The article the is used. Let's see the example and understand. The darkest cloud has a silver lining. The darkest cloud has a silver lining. Darkest, superlative degree. So we use article the in front of that word. Second example. This is the best book of elementary mathematics. This is the best book of elementary mathematics. Best, superlative degree. Good, better, best. So we use definite article the before superlative degree. Then in some cases we use definite article the with the ordinals also. Let's better understand with the examples. He was the first man to arrive. He was the first man to arrive. The sixth chapter of the book is very interesting. The sixth chapter of the book is very interesting. So remember children, article the is used in many cases which we are learning now. Remember them. We have already seen the cardinal and ordinal numbers. So in front of before ordinal numbers also we use the article the. Then before musical instrument he plays the flute. If I say he plays a flute, wrong. The correct English should be he plays the flute. The violin teacher is absent today. The violin teacher is absent today. Then this article is also used as an adverb with comparatives. When we use the comparative degrees, then it is also used as an adverb. The more, the merrier. The more, the merrier. The more they get, the more they want. The more they get, the more they want. So, today we have learned articles. Then what we learned? Let us revise. Articles are the words used before noun and they modifies noun. There are two types of articles, definite article and indefinite article. Definite article is the, which is specially used, unique or specific. And indefinite articles are a and an. They are used generally. Now when to use a or an? Now we all know there are 26 letters. So article an is used before the vowel sound words. And we all studied vowels. There are 5 vowels: a, e, I, o, u. The words which starts with these vowel sounds, we use article an before them. Then article a is used before the consonants. Okay? Apart from these 5 vowels, whichever remaining letters are, they are all consonants. Like N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z, B, D, G, H, L, J, K, I, M. So, article an is used before the vowel sound words and article a is used before the consonants. Remember. Now, let us solve this activity. The question is, fill in the blanks with a, an or the in the following sentences. Now, through this chapter, we have understood what are the articles, what are the two types of articles, and the use, where to use them. Okay, now we have to recall everything what we studied in this chapter and we have to solve this activity. Before I show the answer, you have to be ready with your answer and you have to check whether your answer is right or wrong. Okay? The first question, the first fill in the blank is, Hari is dash good boy in dash class. Hari is dash good boy in dash class. What will come here? Hari is general or specific? Good boy. Hari is a good boy in the class, isn't it? Hari is a good boy in the class. He is one of the good boy in the class. Second, dash Bhagavad Gita is dash sacred book. Dash Bhagavad Gita is dash sacred book. What will come? Think. A Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavad Gita? No, Bhagavad Gita. The word is starting with the consonant sound. So either it will come a or the. But what we studied? This is the name of a sacred book. So what will come here? The. The Bhagavad Gita is a sacred book. The Bhagavad Gita is a sacred book. Let's move to our third question. Dash sun rises in dash east. Dash sun rises in dash east. So, oh great, you're right. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Sheila is dash honest girl. Give attention to the pronunciation of sound. Sheila is dash honest girl. What will come here? Sheila is an honest girl. Sheila is an honest girl. Now, although the word is starting with H, alphabet H, but it is pronouncing as A, the vowel sound. So, article and we have written here. Sheila is an honest girl. Himalayas are dash highest mountains. Himalayas are dash highest mountains, superlative degree. So, definitely, which article will come here? The. Himalayas are the highest mountains. So, here we come to an end of our period, children. In today's period, I taught you articles. Then I taught what are articles, how many types of articles are there, and in which places they have to be used. So study, give more and more attention, solve the worksheet at the same time and submit it. Again, I'll end up with the quote, safety is our number one priority. Children, safety is our number one priority. So, be at home and be safe. Thank you. Sai Ram.